Hello everyone, this is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. Today in this video I'll show you guys a very useful trick to chat on LAN without internet using your computer. If you have a multiple computer connected in your local area network, then there is a simple messenger app. Using that app you can chat between your LAN computers without internet connectivity. So guys, without talking too much, let's get started. So guys, first of all you have to download and install a simple messenger app called LAN Messenger in all of your local area connected computers. I will add the download link in description below. Go to that link, download LAN Messenger and install it on your every computer which are connected to your LAN. For the demonstration I am using a virtual machine so that it works as like a LAN computer. Here you can see my Windows 10 virtual machine. Install the LAN Messenger app on both of your computer. Then just simply open this LAN Messenger and here you will see the local area connected computer name in LAN Messenger. To start chatting, right click on computer name and click on conversation. Then it will open a chat box like this. And using this chat box you can start chatting with your LAN computer without internet. Not only text, you also can use emoji like other chat application. Also you can share files and data through this messenger app. Let me show you. First, let me create a file on my virtual machine. Now click here and select the file which you want to share and click on open. And here you can see the file is sent to my computer. Also you can customize the chat color and also you can use broadcast message option to send a message to all the connected computer on your LAN. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. So give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friend. And if you are new on my channel, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I am Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SSTec tutorial and I am signing out.